Yo, what is going on, guys? I am coming to you live from the mountains of Tennessee. It's extremely beautiful out today, and for today's video we are taking a look at my new car. So here it is. So, car in question is a 2000 Lexus LS400. I purchased the car in Michigan and I've driven it down here to Tennessee, and I'm basically going to run you guys through the car and why I bought it and my plans for it. So here it is. Apologize if there's shitty wind noise. Here I am in the mountains, but as I said, it's a 2000 LS400. It has a 4-litre V8, which is the 1UZ motor, famously known for doing like 1 million miles or 500,000 miles with very basic maintenance. It's a big sedan, luxury vehicle. It's like a pearl white color, two-tone, you know, boring grandpa stuff. Lots of chrome bits on it, but this car is very clean. I picked it up for $4 grand. It has well, I had 152,000 miles on it when I picked it up 2 weeks ago. It now has almost 155,000, but done some basic maintenance stuff and just changed the oil and changed the air filter. Everything else is up to date. But yeah, like I said, this thing is super clean. The only real cosmetic bits are like these stone chips around here, but other than that, like, the car's pretty immaculate. And for this motor, 150,000 miles is very low mileage, to be honest with you. Now, I'm sure most of you are going to be like, why the hell have you bought this? You usually drive a Mustang and enjoy driving fun cars. Well, the Mustang's gone. I'm not going to talk about that in this video. We're going to talk about that in another video, but I desperately needed to buy a car, and I've always wanted one of these. The reason I've always wanted one of these is because I love Japanese VIP cars. I mean, you guys know I love stance cars, and I've never built a stance car up until now. So the plans for this thing is that it's hopefully going to become a VIP, or otherwise known as Bipu, show car, pretty much. Short term, I'm not going to be doing a whole lot to it because I don't have money right now, but in the long term, I am hoping to respray the car, lots of interior parts, like all the little tables, curtains, and the fancy shit. Some 18s, maybe 19s, I'm not sure. I wanted to go static before I bought the car when I was thinking about it, but this car is super clean and I'm gonna enjoy driving this thousands of miles, so I'm probably most likely gonna bag this. But yeah, let me know what you guys would like to see me do. But when I start working on the car, I will be filming a build series with it, which I'm very excited to do because obviously most people that have car YouTube accounts have a car that they build, and I haven't up until now. So also I feel like this is a little bit different. Most people are, you know, buying performance cars and doing performance upgrades. I'm actually focusing on aesthetics with this thing because this is not a performance car, and I'm very much building this for myself. I've always really wanted to do this stuff, and I'm not you know, most people are trying to do the wildest shit they possibly can to like stand out, or like almost like it's a competition. But for me, I really just want to like build this car exactly the way that I want. Yeah, I mean, most VIP cars end up looking pretty similar to each other, and I don't care about that. I'm building this for myself. I'm not building it to stand out or be different from other people. I am doing this because it's something that I love and I want to do it. So, but anyway, let me take you through the car. Obviously, there isn't a whole lot to see outside. It's pretty boring looking, very comfortable, I will tell you that. But anyway, once we go inside, excuse it is a little bit messy right now because I have been on a road trip. Come inside and immediately you're greeted with luxury 90s things. You put the key in and the steering wheel moves into place. So when I start the car, starts up, first try, no problems. Yeah, this thing, it's a 2000 model and it has every option imaginable, at least I think. Obviously it's an automatic. Everybody that knows me knows I love driving manuals, but it's whatever. Maybe yeah, a few years down the line, if I feel like it, I'll do a 6-speed swap and make this thing more fun. But right now I don't really care. This is, you know, it's a big luxury cruiser. Yeah, let me show you my favorite feature in this entire car. It's right here. So this is the GPS screen. If you go to press like the volume button right here, it makes a sound that's like, okay, tell me that this doesn't sound exactly like the fasten seatbelt sign on an airplane. I get so much enjoyment out of that. Like, maybe I'll get like a fasten seatbelt sign like right up here for people in the back. But yeah, it's really cool. It has there's 2 glove compartments, and there's the CD changer in here, blah blah blah. I should probably make some CDs because the sound system in here is really fucking good. And then I have another glove compartment down here with all my paperwork in it. Traction control, heated seats, all of the fucking blah blah blah. You got a tape deck. I bought this thing, which I actually honestly didn't know anything about this. This is a Bluetooth FM transmitter. So you Bluetooth this to your phone, and then you set a radio frequency on here and tune the car to it, and you can play music from your phone through the radio, which is kind of cool. The sound quality is not that great, but like if you don't have an aux cord, then this is a good option. The only other option is a tape deck aux, this thing right here, and you like plug it into your phone, but it didn't work. I'm not sure if it's that or that the tape deck in here doesn't work, but not a big deal. So yeah, as you can see, has 303,000 miles, so it's pretty good. The seats, super clean, no rips, no stains, no tears. Same with the back seats, probably even cleaner. It's got a center thing, which unfortunately the cup holder thing right here doesn't come out. It's kind of stuck. I'm gonna have to pull this whole piece out and try and figure that out. But excuse my Subway drink. This cool little cup holder thing here, I love that. Like tucks away and you push right here, pops out. Coolest looking thing ever. Like I wish new cars were like this. They had all these cool little quirks, and obviously this thing closes, but has a full power sunroof that actually works, and it's sealed and it doesn't leak. Car came with black ice in it, so obviously that's good. So it smells like dank as shit in here. All right. Well, in the back there is a ton of legroom. Excuse my little snow brush in here. I don't need that anymore because I'm in the south. But plenty of legroom. Like, these seats are unbelievably comfortable. It even has cigarette lighters and ashtrays in the back here. It's so 90s. I mean, I don't smoke, but that's cool. I was also thinking yesterday, how cool would it be to have like a mini fridge like right there. I'm not sure how easy that is to do, but like I'm just throwing like stupid ideas around at the moment. But yeah, pretty much the plan is to make this into a VIP car. Yeah guys, pretty much there we have it. This is my new, I guess, project car slash daily. I'm going to be using this for all of my road trips, and once I actually have some money, I will be building it. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think, what you'd like to see me do with the car. Not that it makes that much difference to me, but I'm open to ideas and suggestions from you guys. But obviously I'm gonna do the stuff that I want to, and I'm not trying to impress anybody. I'm just doing it because I love it, and I'm fortunate enough that I'm able to, you know, share the things that I do with others too. And if you guys enjoy it, then that's a plus. If you don't, then don't watch it. It's all good. Just a short video today, but we will be back soon for some more epic content. So stay tuned, subscribe, and make sure you stay up to date with what I'm doing with this on my Instagram at LEP_automotive or at LumIsles. And yeah, I'm excited. See you guys.